What's up, guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. And today we're going to be looking at the Vicseed Wireless Charger. It attaches to your car through the vent clip, and it uses a gravity-fed design to lock your phone in place. Vicseed sent this out for me to take a look at. That's not going to affect my opinion. In fact, I do think it's a wonderful product. First of all, it's very light duty. Second of all, it has a USB-C interface, which is awesome because a lot of companies are still using micro USB, and I'm really so sick of it. I want everything to be USB-C. You can't have enough of those cables because my phone uses it, and my camera uses it, and now the phone charger uses it. So we're going to unbox this thing, take a look at it, and we're going to see if it's worth your hard-earned money. And if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, followed by the notification bell, so you'll be notified next time I drop a video. Like this, Camilla? You like this? So we're here in front of the Vicseed Wireless Car Charger mount, and what we're going to do is use these handy dandy unboxing scissors and just cut the tape there so we can preserve the quality of the box here. So on the side of the box here it says gravity linkage, fast wireless charging, and on the bottom here it says USB-C interface, gravity linkage, strong stability, fast wireless charging. And there's a photo of the product in use. So let's see what's coming inside this box here. So we're gonna just open it up like so. Oh, strong cardboard there. Nice textured feel to it. Very nice. Okay, so let's pull this out like so. Okay, and let's see what we got here. Okay, we've got a thanks for choosing Vicseed. Share your experience. Any problems will be solved within 24-hour email. Join the VIP club, which will give you 20% off and a 1-year warranty. We've also got some instructions and warranty card. Let's open this up. Okay, looks like we've got the mount itself right here. Okay, we've got the air vent clip, and wow, okay. So this actually opens and closes like so. That is pretty cool. Little nifty little thing. It does actually include the cable itself, which is awesome. Wow. Okay, so this actually, so as soon as you put this in, this is gonna fold here, and it's gonna lock in your phone on the side. And we also have this piece right here, which is just gonna unscrew, and then you're gonna push this in and tighten it. That's pretty run-of-the-mill. USB-C is right there. Okay, and I do like the design of this. It is pretty cool. I like how the pressure from the bottom holds it in. So what would happen if you turn the phone sideways while you're using it? We'll have to find out. Camilla, stop it. No. Cat problems. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's take out the Galaxy S9 Plus and let's simulate usage. And yeah, right off the bat, it does not really fit in here. So that's going to be an issue. May still get a connection, we'll have to see, but as you can see, the case is just way too thick, so we're gonna have to take the phone out of the case. Very nice and thick, looks like a high quality cable here, and what we're gonna do is plug it right into the bottom here any way you'd like. Let's slide this bad boy in, and so this unfortunately does not work with this case as they had stated to me. So I mean, it does fit in there, but it needs to go under the lip here. Okay, so we have the very beautiful here, Galaxy 9 Plus, and fingerprints all over it. So the phone will go in here. Okay, we've got a charge. Okay, so this mount is not going to work sideways, unfortunately. That's another bummer. Okay, so I think the phone charger would actually have to work sideways in order for it to be very useful. I know when you're driving, most people don't turn their phone sideways, but I actually do. So let's see, once it's in there, it does move around a little bit. Okay, so pull your phone out, okay, put it back in. Now it's charging. It hasn't stopped charging. Yeah, it's a very flat, flush fit right there. So that does work pretty well, but unfortunately when it goes to the side, it has the ability to pop out. So it's still continuing to charge here. And some other things we're going to have to test is the stability of this on the air clip mount. This device is going to be a niche device. Now, it's made pretty well. It charges right away. Not seeing any issue with that. It does fast charging. It's still charging somehow. Wow, look at that gap in the phone there. And it's still somehow charging. That's awesome. That's amazing. So the coil is very, very powerful. So this is going to be a niche product, like I had finished just saying. You're only going to be able to use this if your phone is not in a case, most likely. And you're only going to be able to use this in portrait mode. You're not going to be able to use it in landscape because it will fall out, most likely. So that's unfortunate. So if you keep your phone like this in the car, I think this might work very well. I like the design of it. I'll have to do some more testing of it, but for right now, I do think this is for a specific person, and it does not work with all users. So if you think this might work out with you, make sure you check out the link below. And thanks Vicseed for sending this out to me. In order to use this Vicseed wireless charger, I actually have to take my phone out of my case. Now, when I was speaking to the company, they did make me aware of this before I received the product, but I do have a giant phone. It's the S9 Plus, and I use the OtterBox Defender. It's just the best protection you can get. You can drop your phone off a cliff and it'll probably still be okay. It just doesn't fit in the actual device with the case on, so that's unfortunate. So I did take my phone out of the case and I used one of my power bricks that I use. It does work and it does fast charge. And the device itself is very light. When you add your phone into the device, it stays level, and this actually closes from the weight of the phone on the bottom. And the clip has a little button right here where you can stick this in your vent and click it. It's going to work best on a horizontal vent, not a vertical vent. That way it has something to grip on and it's not going to slide down. So there are some stipulations if you want to use this product. It's fairly cheap at under $40. You're going to need a travel adapter to be able to fast charge. You're also going to have to check the specifications to make sure your phone and case model fit. Now, any phone out of the case, this thing will work, and it works perfectly because this closes however wide your phone is, and it just works pretty well. Now, it's a nice design, and they do have some other designs that I'm going to be taking a look at shortly. I can't take my phone out of the case every time I want to charge it. Now, wireless charging is supposed to be simple. You just drop your phone on the base, and boom, it's charging. You don't have to plug it in or anything, and at that point, I can just take the little piece of rubber out and plug my phone in. That's actually easier than having to take the case off. So guys, it kind of defeats the purpose for wireless charging in my case, but if you have a smaller phone like a regular iPhone 10 or a regular Galaxy S9, this should work perfectly. And they do have a list on their website to tell you whether or not your phone will be compatible. So I was really excited to be able to take a look at this product, guys, and I really appreciate you guys watching the video. So if you think that this might be a product that you're interested in, make sure you look in the description below because I'll have some affiliate links that you can click with no cost to you, but it does help support my channel. So if you want to help me continue to grow, you can hit that subscribe button, followed by the notification bell. And I greatly appreciate that, guys, more than you know. That's why I just want to make the quality of the videos better and better so you guys will stay and watch and maybe even subscribe. So thanks to Vicseed once again for sending this out to me, and thanks guys for watching. Until next week, I'm out. Peace.